If you want to do something in life, want to do something different from majority, after watching this small video, you will be able to decide by yourself either you have to lose or have to do something. Years ago, baby was born in America in a middle-class family. His father loved family. The baby was 5 years old when his father came home, had a high fever. He looked at the father. He did not understand anything. On that day, doctor visited his home twice. The baby was watching his mother cry from the distance. After a few days his father died. He could not forget the moment and day of his father's death. The baby also had a younger brother and a sister. At the age of 7, he learned how to cook while his mother was at job. He take care of his brother and sister when his mother was not at home. His mother had to work to grow up children. At age of 10, he began to farm fields and started the work of painting. Quit his school. He was changing his jobs one after another. He could not get the right option for him. But he was trying. He was not satisfied with any job. When he was 18, he met his soulmate and they married soon. They had 3 children. He was fired from the job. Wife left. But he convinced her. At 30, he made ferry boat company and was succeeded. He sold shares of company to do something new. He made company of oil lamps. He hired many employees. His business was growing. But Delco Company introduced the electric lamp and all of his business destroyed. Then he visited different areas. But an end of journey to home he had no money. He shared his story with the person who gave him the lift. Person offered him job in his gas station, but after 6 years of working that station closed too. This time he found job soon with Shell Company. Started his small restaurant too. People liked his recipe. When he was 63 years old, life took a new turn. Where his restaurant was, the construction of highway began. Unfortunately, the restaurant was to close to construct the highway. It was the worst blow of his life. But he does not lose heart. Failure taught him not to give up. Decided to sell his recipe at restaurant at low price door to door. He does not listen others' ideas. He was worried. He failed 1009 times. But continued attempting. At 65 met owner of a restaurant and presented him his recipe. The owner said yes and agreed. After that, according to the report in 2013, this restaurant spread in 118 countries in 18,875 restaurants, whose annual sale was 23 billion. According to report of 2018, it was the world's second famous restaurant in 136 countries in 22,621 restaurants. In all these restaurants, the same recipe is being used. That old man name was Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC. If he had come into people's words and leave, so today you don't see KFC anywhere. Due to him, thousands of people are working in history. There is no one who have not faced failure. If you have been off to a job, try it out. Nothing bad right now. You have heard, all you have to do is try. God gives success. So keep trying. It does not matter how many times you fail. Thanks for watching the video.